Now.
What are you, Amanda?
Hero.
What are you, Amanda?
I'm the boo hero.
You are?
I'm the boo hero.
Let me see what a superhero. What does a superhero do?
Superhero jump.
What else does a superhero do?
Superhero jump and die.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
Superhero.
Superhero? What are you wearing? Why are you wearing that?
This is a tutu.
It's a dress.
It's a tutu.
Oh.
Put me a bugler.
Why? But
Bugler.
why? What's wrong with your hair?
I'm busy.
Wait, what's wrong with it? Tell me. Okay, Amanda. What's wrong with your hair? What? I can't understand. Amanda, what's the baby's name? What? Hadu? Is the baby's name Zane? It's Hadu? Do you love the baby?
I love a baby.
Who else do you love?
This is Amanda.
Okay, say, okay, bye-bye, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now boost. Okay, are you okay? Okay, bye.